Are you tired of things charging so slow? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to show you how to use this sweet charging station and products from Anker. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of awesome chargers from the company Anker. I'm today's host, Matthew, and let's get into it. As you know, in every single episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and test of the products, and let's just get that over to Brad. Hey Brad, open the box.
All right, we have the GaNPrime right here, the Series 7 by the world's #1 mobile charging brand, Anker. Let's see what we get out of the box on this bad boy. This is 100 watts, and just looking at it immediately, it's stunning. Very lightweight, very slim. This is sweet. This is gonna be pretty interesting. Along in the bottom, we have some plugs for charging and a nice cable wrap along with our paperwork. So this will raise up when you get ready to plug something in, using the power source as the example, of course. Check this out. That is really cool. Just right here on top of the power bank, we have grooves that will line up one way. There's 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB 3.0 ports.
This is the Anker 727 charging station. It's 100 watts and it comes with USB-C 2 and USB-A. A guy named Chris, a sweet millennial, was very passionate about designs, and he is currently working as their 3D printing designer. And he co-creates their designs with their clients from all over the world. And it's an AS desk lamp set up for an AC MacBook. It's got high efficiency, real-time protection, and ultra compact design. With a new generation of GaN technology and advanced circuit architecture, it reduces the energy loss and ensures the highest efficiency for every charge. The Active Shield 2.0 enhances protection by intelligently monitoring temperature and adjusting power output to safeguard your connected devices. And it's constructed using Anker's self-developed mini transformer technology and an innovative stack design to reduce size and increase portability. The GaNPrime 100 watt is pretty awesome in this charging station, but we're also going to take a look at one of their 150 watt chargers. The Anker 747 charger. This is a 150 watt charger, so you want to talk about speed, it's got it. And it can also charge a MacBook Pro 16, any iPhone, and even an Oculus headset. It's high powered and fast, it's charging with multiple ports. It also has the Charging Power IQ 4.0, not to mention the Active Shield 2.0 that the previous design also has, so for the most protection. And it's super small and compact. It features 3 USB-C ports and a USB-A port. Anker has been developing these kind of products for 80 million plus people. They're definitely high quality, so we recommend you guys check them out. And don't forget to look, no matter where you're at, if there's links, give them a click. And if you see a thumbs up, hit it. And if you see the bell, click it for notifications. Thanks for watching this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Matthew, and we'll see you guys in the next review.